Dollar holds consistent as Powell speech techniques. Hong Kong. The dollar held onto latest gains against the euro and sterling on Friday in advance of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's widely anticipated speech, which investors wish will offer clues at the U.S. relevant banks' tightening plans. The euro was slightly changed in Asian trade at $0.9971, having failed in several attempts this week to interrupt again above parity in opposition to the greenback. It fell beneath that psychologically critical degree on Monday. Sterling turned into down 0.14% at $1.1821, no longer some distance from its extra than two-year low of 1.1718 hit early inside the week. A possible driver for the forex might be Britain's energy regulator declaration later inside the day of an eye-watering jump in a cap on power expenditures, in addition boosting inflation in an already struggling British financial system. Fuel charge increases are exceeded directly to British clients through a charge cap, calculated every 3 months. The dollar index, which tracks the foreign money against 6 most important friends, become at 108.5, heading in the right direction for a 0.38% weekly gain and already up 2.5% in August. Investors will eye Powell's speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium at 1400 GMT for any perception into how aggressively the Fed nevertheless plans to raise hobby rates. Policymakers have in latest weeks emphasized how important it's miles for the Fed to get inflation below manipulate. Minneapolis Federal Reserve Bank President Neel Kashkari said on Tuesday his largest worry is that the U.S. primary financial institution misreads the extent and patience of rate pressures and will want to deliver even more competitive charge hikes to lower inflation. The smoke signals from the Fed have been, as Kashkari indicated, if we must err on the aspect of over-tightening or no longer doing enough, we understand what aspect we want to be on, said Ray Attrell, head of FX approach at National Australia Bank (OTC), NABZY. I suppose there's in detail of wanting to be visible to be speak me difficult inside the desire that the harder they speak, the less we must do in terms of policy. Investors may also appearance to Powell to see whether his comments at the long-term outlook should activate markets to unwind 2023 economic easing bets, underpinning the dollar, Attrell introduced. Markets are presently positioned for U.S. rate hikes to height this 12 months or proper on the start of 2023 and are pricing in price cuts later that year on expectancies policymakers might be extra involved approximately slowing increase than high inflation by means of then. Elsewhere, the Australian dollar fell 0.27%, lower back beneath the mental stage of 70 cents, however the Aussie has been acting better against the battered European currencies. The Japanese yen drifted weaker at 136.81 in line with dollar. Equals 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 currency bid expenditures at 0453 GMT description Rick last US close PCT change YTD PCT high bid low bid previous change session euro dollar $0.9965 $0.9972 0.07% 12.34% plus 0.9978 plus 0.9962 $136.8000 yen 136.5450 plus 0.13% plus 18.87% plus 136.8100 plus 136.4250 euro 136 yen and 33 sen 136.14 plus 0.14% plus 4.61% plus 136.3600 plus 136 $36.1000, Swiss $0.9641, $0.9637 plus 0.05% plus 5.70% plus 0.9646 plus 0.9638 sterling, dollar 1.1813, 1.1838, 0.17% 12.61% plus 1.1836 plus 1.1807 dollar, Canadian 1.2952, 1.2924 plus 0.21% plus 2.43% plus 1.2956 plus 1.2922 Aussie, dollar 0.6959, 0.6981, 0.30% 4.25% plus 0.6982 plus 0.6954 NZ, 0.6199, 0.6226, 0.42% 9.42% plus 0.6225 plus 0.6197 dollar all spots Tokyo spots Europe spots volatilities Tokyo the Forex marketplace data from BOJ